Alright, I gotta talk loud. It's a lot of people in here. We just did the night tour of the Underground Seattle. It's like they advertised, a lot more adult, and you got the adult in there. I can't even say half the words they said. But it was fun. It was actually a good time and learned a lot of interesting things. Like things you wouldn't know, I suppose. It's been a good day. It's been a long day. I think I got 3 hours of sleep. 1 to 4 a.m. and did the whole day on that like light nap, but beer has kept me going. I've actually eaten very well today. I had almost no food and a lot, like 5 beers. So if you actually need a good strategy to get through a day with no sleep, I recommend beer. Other people might have theories about like food and stuff like that, but I think beer works the main point for you too. But it was actually a fun day. We got to see a lot of things. The weather was actually not too bad. I got some good shots because of that. Partly cloudy is actually a good thing if you need, if you're a photographer. So look for partly cloudy in all the books. So that's about it. And then tomorrow I'm going to drive to some new city, get some new shots. So until then, enjoy my beer.